Hey everyone, welcome back to my English learning channel. If you're new here, I'm Reem, and this channel is all about learning real, simple, everyday English in a fun and easy way. Today's topic is something we all can talk about, our home. Yes, we'll learn how to describe your house or apartment, the rooms inside, and the common furniture and household items you use every day. You'll also learn how to talk naturally about your home in English conversations, using real-life examples and easy phrases. So let's begin our home tour in English. Part 1. Basic vocabulary. Types of homes. First, let's learn how to describe the type of home you live in. Type of home. Example sentence. House. I live in a house. Apartment/flat. I live in an apartment. Cottage. They have a small cottage in the countryside. Bungalow. My grandparents live in a bungalow. Villa. The family owns a large villa with a garden. Dormitory/hostel. I live in a hostel near my university. Examples. I live in a small apartment in the city. My parents live in a house with 3 bedrooms. We have a cozy cottage near the hills. Tip. In American English, people say apartment, while in British English, it's flat. Part 2. How to describe your house. When you talk about your home, you can describe its size, location, and style. Useful phrases. I live in a small, big house. It's located near the park. It has 2 floors. There are 3 bedrooms and a living room. It's bright and comfortable. There's a balcony with a nice view. Example paragraph. I live in a 2-story house near the city center. It has 3 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and 2 bathrooms. There's also a small garden behind the house. It's cozy and full of light. That's a perfect short introduction about your home. Part 3. The rooms in a house. Now, let's go room by room. Room. Description. Example. Living room. Where the family relaxes or watches TV. We watch movies in the living room. Bedroom. Where you sleep. My bedroom is on the 2nd floor. Kitchen. Where you cook. The kitchen is clean and bright. Bathroom. Where you wash and take showers. There's a small bathroom near my room. Dining room. Where you eat meals. We eat dinner in the dining room. Study. Office. For work or study. My father works in his study. Balcony. Outdoor space attached to the room. I drink coffee on the balcony every morning. Garden/yard. Outdoor area with plants. We have a small garden with flowers. Garage. Where you park your car. The garage is next to the house. Example paragraph. My favorite room in the house is the living room. It's big and comfortable. There's a sofa, a coffee table, and a TV. I usually relax there after work. Part 4. Common furniture vocabulary. Every home has furniture. Let's learn some of the most common words. In the living room. Sofa or couch. Coffee table. Television/TV. Bookshelf. Armchair. Carpet. Rug. Example sentences. There's a large sofa in the living room. We keep our books on the bookshelf. The carpet makes the room warm and cozy. In the bedroom. Bed. Pillow. Blanket. Wardrobe/closet. Mirror. Nightstand/bedside table. Example sentences. My bed is soft and comfortable. I keep my clothes in the wardrobe. There's a mirror on the wall. In the kitchen. Refrigerator / fridge, stove / cooker, sink, table, chair, cupboard. Example sentences. We keep vegetables in the refrigerator. My mother cooks food on the stove. The sink is next to the window. In the bathroom. Shower, bathtub, sink, toilet, towel, mirror. Example sentences. I take a shower every morning. There's a mirror above the sink. We keep clean towels on the shelf. Part 5. Describing your favorite room. Here's how you can describe your favorite room naturally. Example. My favorite room is my bedroom. It's not very big, but it's comfortable. There's a bed, a small desk, and a wardrobe. The walls are light blue, and there's a big window with sunlight. I like reading books there or listening to music when I relax. Tip. Use adjectives like cozy, bright, quiet, clean, beautiful, spacious, warm to make your description more interesting. Part 6. Common adjectives to describe homes. Adjective, meaning, example. Cozy, small but comfortable. Our living room is cozy. Spacious, big with a lot of space. The apartment is spacious. Bright, full of light. The kitchen is bright and sunny. Modern, new and stylish. They live in a modern house. Clean, neat and tidy. Her room is always clean. Messy, not organized. My brother's room is messy. Example sentences. Our house is clean and comfortable. Our kitchen is bright and modern. My friend's apartment is small but cozy. Part 7. Talking about decorations. You can also describe what's on the walls or around the room. Common decoration words. Paintings, curtains, plants, lamps, photographs, clocks, shelves. Example sentences. There are some paintings on the wall. We have green plants in the corner. A big lamp stands next to the sofa. There are family photos on the shelf. These small details make your home description sound more natural and interesting. Part 8. Talking about household items. Let's look at some daily household objects you might use. Item. Example sentence. Fan. There's a ceiling fan in every room. Light / lamp. Please turn off the light. Clock. There's a clock on the wall. Phone. The phone is on the table. Computer. My computer is in my study. Washing machine. We wash our clothes in the washing machine. Iron. My mother irons clothes every morning. Part 9. Talking about where things are. Prepositions of place. You often need to describe where things are in your home. Preposition. Example. On. The book is on the table. In. The shoes are in the cupboard. Under. The cat is under the bed. Next to. The sofa is next to the window. Behind. The chair is behind the desk. In front of. There's a TV in front of the sofa. Between. The table is between two chairs. Example paragraph. There's a big bed in my room. A small table is next to the bed. The lamp is on the table and my bag is under it. There's a mirror on the wall and a chair in front of my desk. These small details help listeners picture your home. Part 10. Talking about household chores. We can also talk about what you do around the house. Common household chores. Clean the room. Wash the dishes. Do the laundry. Cook dinner. Sweep the floor. Take out the trash. Examples. I clean my room every morning. My mother cooks dinner for the family. My brother takes out the trash. We do the laundry on weekends. Tip. Use simple present tense for routines. Part 11. Talking about where you live. You can describe the area or neighborhood around your house. Useful phrases. I live in a quiet neighborhood. There's a park near my house. Our house is close to a supermarket. It's a peaceful area with friendly people. Example paragraph. I live in a quiet neighborhood near a school. There's a grocery store nearby and a park where I go for walks. It's a safe and friendly area. Part 12. Sample monologue. Full description example. Now let's put everything together in one natural talk, just like you'd say it in your podcast. I live in a small but cozy apartment in the city. It has 2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. My favorite room is the living room. It's bright and comfortable. There's a big sofa, a TV, and a small table in the center. We have some plants near the window and family pictures on the wall. My bedroom is also nice. There's a bed, a wardrobe, and a study desk. I usually read books or watch videos there. The kitchen is small but modern with a refrigerator, stove, and sink. I live with my parents and we love our home. Every weekend, we clean the house together and cook special food. Our home isn't big, but it's full of love and warmth. That's a perfect way to describe your house naturally in English. Part 13. Practice challenge. Now it's your turn. Try answering these questions out loud. Do you live in a house or an apartment? How many rooms are there in your home? Which room is your favorite? Why? What furniture do you have in your bedroom? Describe your kitchen. Speaking out loud will help you sound more confident and natural. Part 14. Quick recap. Let's quickly review today's lesson. Types of homes and rooms, furniture and household vocabulary, prepositions of place, how to describe your favorite room, example monologue and practice questions. Now you can easily describe your house in English, from your living room to your kitchen, from furniture to daily routines. All right, my friends, that's all for today's English lesson, describing your house, rooms, furniture, and household vocabulary. I hope you enjoyed this home tour in English and learned lots of new words today.